Makers of the As Seen on TV NutriBullet say their machines can turn ordinary food into superfood. But we found their latest version, the NutriBullet Pro 900, could pose a safety risk, and we rated it a don't buy. We put it through our rigorous blender durability testing by placing 7 large ice cubes in an empty container and crushing them. We repeated this 45 times. In 2 separate tests on 2 separate models, the blade cracked or broke.
Although we're not aware of any injuries, we think this product could put consumers at risk. A broken blade fragment could be small enough that you wouldn't see it in an icy beverage, especially since this product is designed so that you can drink right from the container.
NutriBullet says its product is not designed to operate as an ice crusher and says Consumer Reports' durability test is a misuse of the product. But if you went to some major retailers online, like Target, you might think the NutriBullet Pro 900 was perfect for crushing ice. And Best Buy goes even further, saying the product can easily crush ice.
Our durability test isn't about crushing ice. It's about testing durability. It was created as a stress test for blenders to see which ones would hold up and which ones wouldn't. Plenty of other blenders we tested haven't had this problem, including the original NutriBullet we tested several years ago.
If you own the NutriBullet Pro 900, we suggest you stop using it and check out the $90 NutriNinja. It performed well in all our tests, including durability.